Ebusham for aha Ghana TV. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Prujini or you're not na or you say you're very careful, and I thank God. Say BBI, I say or BTOM with over 80% plus. Or BTOM. Look, nanka a campaign can ye na ye candidate. Anka ye Brian ko ye campaign ye be BTOM. But the margin of vote into na yatia simono. And say ye winning decisively. Actually say ampara party nyina ye united behind one candidate. And until the yatia simo ye campaign seriously you. And yes sir, Misre so far utamua ye boni pa miense bi din se omo nim na se nyame pengo omba ye candidate. There are places they can go. They can't enter the Zongo communities. They can't enter the 5 northern regions. And we are heading back to the days of until Nkrumah be cancelled that there's a law repealing. Say to me form parties based on tribal religious lines. No. We'll go back to that time. That was the time MPP. Now, a Northern People's Party. That's what people don't know. Tell the other candidates, say, party MPP, no, not for party. I can form Munamu also. And Amunamudi resources do shame. Intinabet is I can for party. Yang MPP, a honey free Northern People's Party. That's why Peter Lajetino do it. Fight said that NNP MP, no, me and Tunchine. Ye manambra, ye the 13 members of parliament nearby to form the United Party. Ni Togo Congress. Ni ga Fishimokpe, any Ashanti, ye can say and Bronga Afu, United Ghana BBB, is it Congress or so, Buzia, 1 seat pena every account area. Yeah, the 13 nearby. But in order say ye be more be who say your party ni united and you impel tribalism, you impel religious intino. Nanka dombo ne so lady. And or jama Buzia say Buzia and lady. Any the formal party you na enen nyafu ebi mu a ban ya ban ti na omanya sika kakra hye omubotom say minister obi adi minister twice obi nsu no contrast Ghana nyina onu ne adi ma no ntino ye nchiche party no mu back to the religious and you can say tribal lines bill. What kind of hell is that? We will not sit down after the primaries. I'm saying this. We will not sit down for these people to destroy the party. Some of us have suffered so much for this party. I was there when this party was formed. And I've been an officer of this party up to date. The longest serving officer of this party. Until me say, I have said and I've told myself that there's no one amongst them. They almost catching me. Then MP, me a parliamentary candidate 2012, do man winning. MP, be my minister. They cannot stand on our way to divide this party. Going beyond 31st January. Essence said this party has to remain united for our children and our children's children. Omo penny almost self-interest. Say, what the minister paying? What's that the minister paying? Now, cut tribalism. Why ye party penny uti board so yiriti board so usa ye can say contractor 15 contract license na okra. Udi a Ghana contract in the essence of over $20 million. Oh sorry now create division within the party. We will not stand. You can't stand on our way, and that is what we have started. And I'm telling them to remain shut, or we will teach them a lesson. As I said, we will not sit down. No a tribe is superior than any tribe. You charming some moja be free no, and then be free Bangazo home. Se Bangazo ko school chair me and now on India chair me or chair me. Me so me ko chair na me chair no. It's irrespective of where I come from, irrespective of where my background. How can you look down upon some of the tribes and their religion?
Alhaji,
we are sending this signal to the 3 candidates. Omo yenum be mienu ni die yenim seni omo kasa. Yenim seni omo kasa, and the mienu ni nyina so munim omo. Kwabena Japan and Mahmoud Bawumia, who is the next president. Yenim seni omo kasa. But the 3, we are still sending a signal to them that we will not allow this thing to continue, and we will take the law into our hands if the situation demands.
Alhaji, you see Fofana ena Martin Kana, you see Anopena make ho asem. Alhaji media.
It's bad. When I was coming out, I nearly cried. I nearly cried when I was coming back from the north. What kind of politics is this?
Meka bibia, meka nipa bebre ni me nya adwen. But meka ese ni abawumie komu nyina no. Se na chema untumi kan no. MPP for emuntio. ena John Mahama AMC enti na Dr. Bawumia komu nyina no Alhaji edu ba bi e musumu nti ena Bawumia hunu sa amani because na say anka mu bom yema boso na mu jan Dr. Bawumia ti echigina pa
for second time
nanka Bawumia enya nan bi gina so yi ya anka obi ntimi nka asem bi nkyere no na so eno ama because of intro ebi ko gina ko di intro Bawumia wi preko Bawumia or no monsa Emma I don't see how anybody in his right sense no should believe say o ya Bawumia ogina ho ya no monsa o ya Bawumia ogina ho ya o yi preko na no tie bi say me yezongo ni die me nkoto then the north nsusu no we saw the growth and all of a sudden because of Bawumia adwuma wo ye any development or champion the call ho
oni o cancer asem o wie no akwa na asori dem to ayire oto ayire
se wo makwan wo se ne nkrofo nam no mo cancer asem na wo ye pepe ni ana ye wo ya me anopena meka se wo se o NPP parliamentary as candidate aspirant now so be a man prosini nti onsen fata so be di NPP anim na wo wi a man prosini ni nua na oye da gomba ni no o be kwa ne ha o ka che so nto aba fa ma
sifo nyina they are one grade driver be wa
man prosini nua a oye da gomba a oye na numba ni no we don't go there to tell him say wo de to abama me na. So please, I mean,
it's dangerous.
And me can't wait because of Enkomobia. Na me can say, look, and you might be going to be create coso in the you know, say a babontia, a bad damaging, a bad Alhaji, monso so afi yedie, yeme akani, me okrini, me kwapimni. Na I say yedie. Bawumia be generate chinye naba. Na minimum sa kwen bia so inshallah Dr. Bawumia ebe say the party ene mu bim.
Ma menchira we bi.
Na say ye Dr. Bawumia ba.
Ma menchira.
Na mo san ye ni amoye in the previous election ni bia. Yes ene mu bedinu ni no.
Oh, ma menchira we bi. Previous election no. Chire me regional e born homody.
Wow.
Muslim de mani enye mo me say mo a those house e de ekoto ye so. Region bia ye vote to
no minim.
Meba that's number 1. Number 2 before Bawumia Baba no na Zongo community strongholds
there be
na Northern community strongholds
there be
since Bawumia ba ye no we done the North-East region into our stronghold we won both presidential and parliamentary in the last election 2020 we won both presidential and divided the parliamentary 3-3 with NDC
na Ghana kwa ni kwa bakra no omni discipline di attempts school fees are manful tia yes in school fees in this year anti ma fa ho mo de bribe ni ye ma wan wo kuma o ska manful tia in school di mo ma na as am to ko mo ma ba fun we ye tisu we ya mo pesa mo be kan once ma so that critique and ye may be social media as a ma ba na ya ba papa ne me ko so Ghana ha ne ma fun e ko so one in here. At least for cry, then I'm crying as a baby beer and yet they can't tap phone. I'm a person.
Hello, good morning. Jene Kasa free Agochala 19 steps. Emra Osechi Mensa Betna was nipa 2 million to my MPP. I don't know who say MPP for 2.1. So some of us here checking out moment 2012 RBC. NDC winning with 300,000. So and the NDC Vanka say Omodiana Ababash MPP move. But on the original so say 2.1 million MPP for. Logic behind just say MPP for and you correct. Say from 2020. And if I 400,000 bet me, that's 400,000 MPP for it vote na so that and you correct and you correct. Obviously, I say 80,000. The one 80,000. Even if I know 80,000. Even so also amount for can also can be. That is all.
Mr. Dinka, good morning. Kobe, Abepo Junction. Papa, you be kasa sisi. Said you need me answer kwa wajimiyo. Maybe I need. abakwa mo adaroma we de mamanya rebata me nko am communicator me rebata onza me be ka di otekuru ya no brawira ngoma so me be twema no saye ntimi nua no obekɔrɛte me no waye ne yie na mmom me fum yare nyina akimi sa baye correction fum so nti na auto pensra na erase tuato ntimi srawo sa me ka kuru ya no brawira ngoma no e pa cho me yifrim tinka me nua no nka no otie ni nyina nko huni e da maso ni nyamenya adwuma.
Good morning. Obieji bana esrawo voter league den ara papa simo di si ani awra papa papa na so na nsemo no kono ngoko mo nwa o mam kwa so ko furi o mbamba nyanzenze o me wu ni pa durusia mo kan de man kan se bete no ma tese vice president so ko voter league ko he akotwe sankofo ba mi yi bu pa ni wu ye ni die nkra durusia we tante sa ban krampo kan ho asem da nkra durusia we esrew ade ye ni na prepu na gana ni ya de ko ya nam so say vice president so ko voter league ko sra sa busha fo ye so di si ya to ho hwe ba esrew nfimu no ke po ma chew mo chew ma no ni na idea o man ko fima kan gana ka ye na ashanti o si good itimba ye bossa ni de chiri gana ye ayen kan aye twa ashanti re yenja e kwa ye ko ni na sa Bye. Obieji nusu kakra na so kan fa hon bye.
Welcome, good morning. My channel will be for. Obia we kana azem dia wudi na temi emfa so be na unya free so. No mo bi wo ha aya into ni down. 80,000 I'm not sure. But it would never also be 8,000 because it's hovering around 20 to 35 and there might be 20 to 35 who pay grade A schools they are around from 20,000 to 35 maintain more than a year. By grade A schools they boss omutia and omutia and sometimes I am say MPP communicators, what are they doing? Because we Mojapadi Amabaya de Ama my Ghana and so no say no as they are not talking about it. Hey, thinking pass NDC and we opposition a BBC by now ya smoke and Kenipa ye ho chiri and so now no NPP are quiet and I'm like, what the hell is going on with NPP communicators? And I'm what the only thing you know is Hon Ken and go Majuma says someone yeno and they say Mobabo NDCH and so we sure.
Good morning, Rakwame. Basho Muye. You say you adum to be a home, Obama, the Tesla, Rotter, Anamo. Rakwame, so maybe the large home, they say street light, a wook room, in a Babia Yajmo. Street light, but Bia, but for Bia Yajma, Rakwame, Asamu. The best simple for regional minister on a bomb of Queen Israel. The best so pass and say, take talk on Ubaho. A drana just why I have Mr. Nantikrumka Cranavesi Sumukrum. Lati nibe bia sweet nibe bia ebese honorable onu ke me boss ebese honorable zuba ebese mo make sure say sweet light in there is all driver na jo kruma ehu papa bra me esre mo fa manu ntum bi na ya driver for ye bra na jo medasi
Radio Pure 95.7 street lights nana ko judgment time you can street lights every COVID time you can street lights. Mama parts buy you can street lights. A young double someone supple buy you can street lights. Ozasi be buy you can street lights. I feel some time buy you can street lights. And then Zuba time you can street lights. Asamna ne ka obia zuyana oh. Government has been able to supply with the street lights. You see them, and all my excuses with the street light. Niko boa, why are not from the Nama go check cables no, and some hanya. For well over 20 years, we are still talking about street light, and street light. So surprisingly, yetiakao, ayesabia, yetiaka, the street light no, yana wahe. Mayor for no name municipal chief executives no be someone. Omo ye be aba street lights dey me adum. O de ba obi ehunu. O na abonte obi ehunu. Yet we hear stories say we have received this number of street lights. Yana Mudikoye.
Oyibo Boatini, Midrodu Nebe, member NPP Media Patrons, Namencha Dr. Baumia, Era Kojobamba, MPP First Vice Chairman, National Genebana, Honorable Amo Kumaike, Mira, Yabesa Banzo Unchanes Fonica. 10 months, the Obia, 10 months Unchanica, National Service Forces are 10 months Munchiomoka, teacher for the term, Ade, Abanaba says Unchamoka, and a comedy and find Yajuma, Sloma, Como, Ya, Amukomofrani, Ade, Oyibo Boatini.
Hello, PFM, Micham. Pacho, na ai mutima kwama obi kakasa bi didi obi atamsa.
Mami, I say sister, Vim lady. I want to show mu. I can send back with me nubia. I feel say we me agree with it or no. Anything. Or see, there is a general belief, say the Volta caucus in NDC has been neglected. The Volta caucus in NDC has been neglected. Anything. For general knowledge, say the founder, the visionary, the pioneer, nipa enam onusu na NDC, NDC no. San nipa no oye ewe, aye Jerry John Rawlings of Free Volta region. Enusu na Volta region be ye NDC for stronghold since 1992 till lene. Whether NDC any voter omundi ni ye o voter for soria omukoron koto abana chinie na NDC na no mutuma no ene amini we kasa no the whole Volta region NPP ni sit back kumpo 18 constituency nyina no NDC die sit back kwa na MPP ewo aye hohwe no enu kra no omasa sorry despite everything that Peter Mewu did for them the football team ma omo ene football team ebo Premier League Ghana Premier League ebo Ghana Premier League ti see ebo Ghana Premier League ewo hohwe we nyina echi no nkrofo na koto abatia no kire se omu die mi nkrofo die NDC na ebusianfo eno na say projections are eba ne say yenim say John Dramani Mahama His Excellency onko bium because in the second term no eno ye after weru asa onko wakotina say ada ajina humi ensa na kana otwim call retirement now retirement no ebusianfo say NDC as a party replacement member nipa obeteki after His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. So far names are coming up. Ebimsi Julius Zebra, Ebimsi Asirun Ketia, Ebimokra say Jenana Opoku Ajiman, Ebimusu say Haruna Idrisu, Ebushanfo, West our more NDC more asking say, Ebanu Saina, Bebia AM stronghold. Region I am stronghold. I am from 1992. Pesi neno. Mwana omuto abamamu. Omu sisa omusanda. Mwa NDC nana omuto abamamu. Omuko na mkotunso omuto mamu boom 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 boom. Ebushanfo. There are constituencies of voter hano. NDC MP nutimi winning by 80%. Mi kandadamo. Voter region ha. Ebimukra de Volta region MP na anya kra na enye 60%. NDC for presidential no omo anya kra na enye 70% or 65%. Na say region bitimi to abama mu say na mu as a party say adenu de akọ north akọ south akọ Volta but Volta mre no bae no ache na mu per replacement Emma John Dramani Mahama edim ba kumpo embra mutrimu free Volta region Volta for money omuni njikra. They feel disrespected, they feel betrayed, they feel overlooked, they feel useless. Edim ba kumpo ade voter no ɔmo ni nkrɔfo ana misi ɔmo esan sɛ mi nyɛ ndisi ni anka maybe sɛ yɛ ni nkrɔfo ana but that one we standing voter yɛ ni nkrɔfo ana yɛ nyɛ nipa yɛn voter for yɛ bɛyɛ flag bearer of NDC a ɛnyɛ yɛ ade na de biara no asɛ since Jerry John Rollins ewu yɛ no they say voter no de mu fa ɔmo nyɛ hwii mu fa mi nkrɔfo nyɛ hwii ami so ma catch mi nkrɔfo asɛ NDC fo ɔmo boom but mi nkrɔfo nso deɛ NDC na NPP so yɛ mistakes bi yɛanyɛ sɛ those mistakes I believe say by now kra no voter nka sɛ yɛwɔ 4 seats bi ebusuafo yɛnkɔhwɛ video no